What's up?
You ready to do this product pillage?
Yeah, let's do it. Sick, thanks.
See ya.
Yeah, goods. That's Reynolds. Yeah. Thanks. So sick.
That white and blue.
All black.
Woo.
That's up.
Wow. Smear tank. Essential. Essential.
See that one, Drew? Conscious salad. Sick.
Gotta find all the bottles. Oh yeah, all black. Skill. Yum.
This is the kind of wallet that my bank account requires something with Velcro. Look at this green right here. This thing's gonna go. Damn, I would have got that from the skate shop too. And navy blue. That thing's gonna be sick. Oh, look at that quality.
Yeah. That looks warm.
Oh yeah. Man.
Hey.
You got it right here.
Kevin Spanky Long, comment on this video and win a box of goods. Independent trucks, the best. Remember that. Subscribe to Strange Notes.